Hello, hello, my lovely explorers. I hope you guys are ready for today's science lesson. We are having a review. We are having a lesson to review. So we're going to revise all that we've learned these past lessons about landscapes and landforms. The objectives by the end of this lesson. You can say, I can recall what a landscape is. I can identify different landforms. Now, please grab your book, your Unit 1 Inspire book, and come back to the lesson. If you don't have the book, then listen carefully because this is the page that you will see in your book. Open page 38. Now, in your book, you're going to have the lesson 2 review. Let's read this question. It says, what do you observe about the land? What do you see here? From the top of your head, what do you say? What do you see? Remember, the word observe means to see. What do you see in this picture? Think, think, think. What's this? I hope you said hills. This is a hill. What is this right here? It's a V shape. A V shape is what? A valley. Very good. Let's see. It says summarize it. Describe the kinds of land you can find on Earth. Now, let's try to summarize and remember what are the types of lands that we see on Earth, that we can find on Earth. Now, here is a sample answer. But if you have something else, you can also write it down. As a sample answer, we can say that landforms are hills, valleys, and plains. Mountains rise very high above the surface of Earth. A large, deep valley is called a canyon. If you remember something else, you can also write it down. Now, let's move on to page 39. You have to draw something here. Make a model of a landscape. Include the landforms in the photos below. Do you remember what landform is this? It is what? Plains. And here we have mountains. And these mountains they're covered by what? They're covered by snow. Are all mountains covered by snow? No. Some are green, covered by grass or by trees. Some are rocky mountains. Some are covered by snow. Now, you need to do a drawing and include mountains and plains in different areas. Now we have two tasks now. Choose to complete task number 1 or task number 2. For task number 1, we have 5 questions. So answer them. You can just write your answers in a piece of paper or notebook. Question 1 says, and what? You need to fill in the space with the name of the landform. Is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Question 2. A student is drawing a map that shows different landforms. She wants to make a plane on her map. How should she draw a plane? A. An area that is tall. B. An area that is flat. C. An area right next to an ocean. Or D. An area in between two mountains. Remember, a plane. Question 3. Which of these landforms? Choose all of the correct answers. So, which of these are landforms? Rivers, valleys, oceans, plains, or mountains? So you have to choose more than one, as it says here. Choose all of the correct answers. So it's more than one answer. Question 4. The letters on the map represent, look at the letters, A, B, C, D, E, F. Do they represent oceans or continents? Are they oceans or continents? Question 5. Maya sees a small piece of land with water around it on a map. What is she most likely seeing? Is she seeing a continent, an ocean, or an island? And task number 2. Match the vocabulary word with its picture. Now, here are the words: map, grassy mountain, island. And here are the pictures, so you need to match them. As a closure, circle your face, reflecting your understanding after finishing the lesson and its review. If you can answer the question below quickly and correctly, circle the smiley face. That's the one I hope that all of you will circle. If you are not sure, circle the one on the left side, which is this one, if you're not sure. If you cannot answer at all, circle the sad face and let me know to help you. The question is, mention 2 of the landforms that you studied about. 2 landforms. If it's easy for you to tell me 2 landforms, then you circle the happy face. Thank you so much, and please picture your work and post it in your portfolio on Class Dojo. Bye bye.